why it's kind of so blurry. Friday night football, you know, supposed to see more people and there's nothing else now going on. The Premier League, the boys put heartbreak in away and with some joy somewhere else.
You are God. Yo, get to the shit.
Man's it, man.
No, I never know if I inside it out.
Yeah.
Really?
Yo, so you.
Oh, God, leave it.
What? Shut! Don't leave body open! Shut! Don't leave body open! Get that! You, do you set the ball for? Knock it outside! Let's chase it! Una amigo, Barry! Barry! That's on them. Which ball that's on? That's all right, okay. Hey, why two man going with this stuff? Hey, Chad! Across for Chad. Chad! Chad!
Yeah, take a little life out of it still. Yo, we have to get back.
Hey, let it go. Bounce it. Let's go. Inside, come on, you.
Go, come on, dale.
Vamos a them.
Hey, outside. Yeah, man. Why running back? Cut to the back. Go. Go ahead. Hey, losing the game. Don't leave nobody unattended down the sun. Anything got me, remember the football now?
Too love.
Where?
Too love there.
Yo, do it. Make life. Wait.
2-footed tackle up, man. You want the VAR? I got the VAR.
Can we play for a match like?
Yeah.